In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted your meeting invites in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Outlook on the web to confirm who's in, who's tentative, and who hasn't responded yet. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll land in your mailbox. We're focusing on the calendar, so look to the left side of the screen for the calendar icon and select it. This switches you from Mail to your Schedule view, which can be shown as Day, Work Week, Week, or Month. Choose whichever view makes it easiest to find the meeting you're checking. Next, locate the specific meeting event you sent out. Click directly on that meeting. When you select the event, Outlook opens its Details pane. This is where the magic happens. In this panel, you'll see the meeting information you set, title, time, location, or meeting link, and most importantly, the attendee list. Outlook clearly labels each person's response. You'll see statuses such as accepted, tentative, declined, or no response. Accepted means they've confirmed they're attending. Tentative suggests they're unsure or are holding the slot. Declined means they can't make it. No response usually means they haven't acted on the invite yet. If you organize the meeting, these response labels are visible and update automatically as people reply. If you don't see responses, double check that you're viewing a meeting you created. Attendees won't see everyone's private responses for events they didn't organize. Also, give it a moment and refresh your browser if someone tells you they just responded but you don't see the update right away. A couple of quick tips as you review the details. For recurring meetings, make sure you've clicked the correct occurrence if you're checking attendance for a specific date. Responses can vary across instances. If you change the meeting time or details, note that some attendees may need to reconfirm, so you might see mixed statuses for a short period. And if your event includes an online meeting link, the acceptance status only reflects a response to the invite. It isn't a record of whether someone actually joined the call. That's all there is to it. Go to outlook.live.com, switch to your calendar, click your meeting, and read the attendee responses in the event details. It's a simple, reliable way to confirm who's coming, keep everyone in the loop, and finalize your plans with confidence.